Xin chào or hello in Vietnamese, because this video will be all about the Ha Giang Extreme Motorbike Club. Ha Giang is Vietnamese northernmost province lining the Chinese border. The north of Vietnam is filled with towering mountains, deep valleys, winding rivers, and overall breathtaking views. Trust me. Ha Giang is interesting with its diversity, gorgeous scenery, ethnical villages, and curvy roads surrounded all over by high karst plateaus. Unlike Sapa, that everyone has heard of, Ha Giang is lesser known and much less explored region, often described as the most beautiful place in the north of the country. The Ha Giang Extreme Motorbike Club was seriously one of the best experiences that I had on my Southeast Asia trip and my traveling in general. Renting a motorbike and just driving through these beautiful landscapes. It's absolutely one of the best things that you can do in Vietnam. Vietnam was originally not part of my plan, but when I decided that I'm going there, I made a plan that was pretty much skipping the whole middle that everyone is doing, which is the backpackers route. But I was absolutely sure that I'm going to Ha Giang and to the north, to the mountains, and doing this loop. So the Ha Giang Extreme Motorbike Loop is basically a road in the north of the country, in the Ha Giang province, that you can do in 2, 3, 4, 5 days, or even a week. I did it in 3 days. Although if I had more time I would have done it in maybe 5. The 3 days itinerary that I did was about 400 kilometers in 3 days. I did on the first day Ha Giang to Dong Van, on the second day Dong Van to Mio Vạc, and the third day was Mio Vạc back to Ha Giang. When I started in the first day, it was actually raining, but I had only those 3 days to do the loop. It was the end of my trip, so I didn't want to miss one of the days, and I thought, okay, I'm going to do it anyway. So I went outside and started driving, but it was not raining, it was pouring. So of course it was not a good idea. Then I decided that yeah, I'm going to go back to the hostel and start the loop tomorrow. But then after a while it started raining less, so I thought, okay, I'm going now, and I did. And pretty much on the first day it was rainy and foggy pretty much through the whole way to Dong Van. But it was still a great experience. Then on the second day was actually the best day. It was sunny pretty much the whole day, and it was just wonderful. The views were amazing, and the third day was also really nice. Just after a few seconds you're going to see footage from the loop, from my first, from my second, and from my third day. Footage of course the road, the scenery, people, and all of that, and I hope you enjoy the ride. want to know more about the loop, more details, everything about how to get to Hazan, accommodation, motorbike rent, cost and all of that, there would be a link in the description below where you can read all about this and my experience in general. Post about more details about the loop, and if there's anything that I have missed or you need any more tips or information about the loop or anything in regards to it, just feel free to let me know and to message me, and I'll make sure to give you as much info as possible. Thanks for watching, and you know what to do. Subscribe, like and share.